Very good morning, all. I am Ramesh, Assistant Professor in the Department of Aerospace Engineering. Here I am being with my mentees from TD Aerospace Engineering to discuss the BMC presentation on Boeing. Let me introduce what is Boeing, as well as the BMC, as well as what is the usage and why it is very much useful, as well as their advantages. Then remaining thing will be presented by our mentees. Here, BMC, that is called Business Model Canva, which is a strategic management tool used to describe, design, analyze, and improve how an organization creates, delivers, and captures the value. It presents the entire business structure in a single visual framework consisting of 9 key building blocks such as customers, value proposition, revenue, and resources. Instead of long business plan, BMC gives a clear, structured overview of how a company operates and earns profit. In a simple term, a BMC can be dealt with a one-page blueprint of how a business works and why the BMC is used. In organizations use the business model Canva for several important purposes like strategic planning, innovation and idea development, problem identification, communication tool, and decision making. And what are the advantages of using business model Canva? It is very simple and visual, as well as it improves the clarity, flexibility, encourages the innovation, better team collaboration, risk reduction. Finally, the 9 building blocks of BMC on Boeing will be summarized by our teammates. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Bhavya. I am here to explain why Boeing. Examining why Boeing is the ideal subject that requires a look at its background and operational scope. It was founded in 1916 and it is headquartered in Chicago, USA. Boeing is widely recognized as a major defense contractor. Furthermore, the company maintains a strong focus on sustainability and future mobility. It is driven by a clear vision for sustainable air transportation. The company operates across multiple critical industry verticals, including commercial airplane, defense, space, and security, global services, and space exploration too. It is advancing military aviation, autonomous system, and sustainable aviation. To maintain leadership in these areas, Boeing relies heavily on specific innovation technologies such as advanced aerodynamics, composite materials, autonomous flight system. It also has sustainable aviation fuel and additive manufacturing too. The elements create a robust foundation for complex business models. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I'll be explaining before looking at the Boeing specific canvas, it is necessary to outline the 8 steps involved in creating a business model canvas. The framework is building systematically. So step 1, it requires an understanding of customer and the value proposition involved in the transaction. So then step 2 is identifying the exact model of connecting with the end customers. Step 3 involves understanding the strategy for managing customers' relationship. And moving to the step 4, it is crucial to identify what the key resources are for the company. Step 5, look at the key activities performed to connect with the customers and the delivery value. Step 6, ask who their partners are for this company. So finally, the financial aspects are mapped out. So step 7, so defines the component of the cost structures, while the step 8 is identifying the various source of revenue. These are the following steps. Thank you, sir.
About the operations and the partnerships of Boeing. So applying this framework directly to Boeing reveals the complex operational structure. Their key partners include a global network like airlines, suppliers, as well as government and defense organizations. So to support this partnership, Boeing engages in several key activities. The most prominent activity is the design and production of commercial airplanes. Successfully, they are managing their massive scale of production and also maintaining the highly efficient supply chain management. Executing these key activities demand specific key resources. For Boeing, the most critical vast portfolio is IP, and along with this, manufacturing is extensive and it has related facilities.
I'm Davaniti here to explain the following. So the core of Boeing's canvas lies in its value propositions, which are tailored to distinct customer segments. For the commercial sector, the value proposition is clear, providing a wide range of solutions that include reliable and technologically advanced aircraft. This directly serves the commercial airline segment. On the defense side, the proposition helps defense organizations and governments meet their desired defense outcomes. Naturally, the customer segment here consists of government and defense organizations. To maintain customer relationships, Boeing utilizes digital touchpoints like its website and email communications. Furthermore, the channels used to reach these segments include the website and online channels, as well as physical service centers located globally. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Kritika Patra. Now I am going to explain the final component of the business model canvas that focus on the financial foundation, the cost structure and revenue streams. Boeing incurs significant cost primarily through the manufacturing of airlines, defense, and security system. Additional heavy expenses are tied to global sourcing and extensive research and development efforts. Conversely, Boeing generates its capital through three main revenue streams. The first is the sale of the commercial airplanes and related parts. The second major stream comes from highly lucrative contracts for defense, space, and government organizations. Lastly, ongoing global service provide a steady recurring source of income. This financial balance sustains the entire business model. This concludes the analysis. Thank you for your time and attention.
So thank you all for this nice contribution for BMC and Boeing. Thank you and all.
Thank you.